Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to set up your MS Authenticator for the first time. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to set up your Microsoft Authenticator, you just simply have to open this Authenticator application after downloading from Play Store or App Store. Then this homepage will appear. Now you just simply have to add your account at very first in order to set up the Authenticator. If you have used it previously, you can begin by recovering your account. Now I'm choosing this add account option, and after that you can choose any of the account to add into Authenticator. Just simply tap into any of those accounts and then you can choose two options into here. First is sign in with Microsoft and second with scan a QR code. I'm choosing sign in with Microsoft into here, and after choosing suitable option for you, it will give this option of add an account. You just simply have to tap into add an account, and now you just simply have to enter the email, phone number or Skype of your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can click into this create one option. Now I'm simply adding my Microsoft account into here, then click to next button. Then after that you just simply have to verify your account from the MFA of Outlook if you have enabled that. Otherwise your account will directly be approved. After doing this, your account setup will be completed into the Microsoft Authenticator. Just simply skip this process for later, then after that you are done. This way you can easily set up your Microsoft Authenticator into your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.